Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to choose the right web hosting provider for your website. Your host is the foundation of your online presence, and making the right choice is critical for your site's performance, security, and growth. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 crucial, systematic steps to help you make a confident and informed decision. The very first step is to conduct an honest assessment of your own project, defining its specific purpose, scope, and ambitions. Ask yourself, is it a personal blog, a portfolio, a corporate site, or a full-scale e-commerce store? Each has vastly different requirements. Key factors to document include the amount of traffic you expect, the size and complexity of your website, and any special software or integrations you need. This definition provides a clear checklist against which you can measure every hosting provider you research. With your needs clearly defined, you now move to the research phase. The market is saturated, so your goal is to compare core services objectively. The most fundamental aspect to understand is the type of hosting they offer, which is like choosing the size and type of property for your business. Shared hosting places your website on a server with many others, making it affordable but with shared resources. VPS hosting provides a partitioned space with dedicated resources, offering more power and stability for growing businesses. Dedicated hosting means you lease an entire physical server, offering maximum performance and control, ideal for large enterprises. Cloud hosting distributes your website across a network of virtual servers, providing exceptional scalability and reliability. Beyond hosting type, your checklist must include uptime guarantees, storage and bandwidth, security measures, and the control panel's user-friendliness. Look for providers offering at least 99.9% uptime and ensure storage and bandwidth align with your needs. Now, let's drill down into the critical features that separate a good host from a great one: security, performance, and scalability. First and foremost, security is non-negotiable in today's digital landscape. Ensure the provider includes free SSL certificates for data encryption, offers firewalls and DDoS protection, and provides malware scanning and removal. Also, confirm they perform regular automated backups of your site data with easy restoration options. Next, performance. A slow website drives visitors away and hurts your search engine rankings. Always choose a provider that uses SSD storage for quicker load times, and look for integrated caching solutions. CDN integration, or content delivery network, stores copies of your site globally, providing a massive speed boost for a worldwide audience. Finally, consider scalability. Your website will grow, and your host should be able to grow with it. This means the ability to easily upgrade resources like CPU, RAM, and storage as your traffic and content expand. By systematically evaluating these features, you can ensure your chosen host supports your website's current needs and future growth. Making an informed decision about your web host is crucial for your online success. Thank you for watching.